Good afternoon, YouTube family. Okay, so today I'm bringing you along because I just found out that there are some bugs that are trying to eat my crops. So I found this neem oil that is supposed to be really good for your plants, and it's all natural. So I am going to fill, let me show you what I have here. I think we got this little thing here from Home Depot, if I'm not mistaken, but you can make a ton of this mixture. I put the little info on here, 2 ounces for every gallon. So I'm going to try to make as much as possible. And it came with this little cool cup here, and the top is 4 ounces, so I think I'm going to fill it up to the top. It's called Neem Oil, and it's actually kind of citrusy. The smell, it kind of smells like orange. And I know a lot of bugs don't like orange scents. Wait, what did it, okay. 2 ounces for every... I hope that's big enough. I don't know how many gallons I have in that container. I'm sure some of you know. So hopefully you guys can hear me. We live off of a very busy highway. I'm sure you can hear the sound. I left my water hose back there, so I'm gonna go grab that. So just hang on for just a sec. See here. Okay, so it's 2 ounces for 1 gallon. Oh, we got it from Ace Hardware Store. Do they sell these at Home Depot too? I don't know. Oh, perfect. This is 2 gallons. So I have 4 ounces. So I'm going to pour that in there. Because remember, it's 2 ounces for 1 gallon. And pour it in here. I'm not going to let y'all watch the whole thing. I'm sure it's going to be pretty boring for you guys to just watch me pouring water in here. But I want to take you on a little tour, so to speak. In my front yard, I have some cucumbers growing. We have a small little garden in the front. So I do want to walk back there. I'm kind of disappointed because I'm a little disappointed because most cucumber plants have male flowers, and I've kind of been keeping an eye a little bit on the cucumber plant for a female flower so I can pollinate it with a little paintbrush, because I haven't really seen any bees, or I know we have butterflies in the back, but I haven't really seen a whole lot here in the front. So here, let me show you what I'm doing. So I'm a little disappointed in that. So, oh, because I found a female plant, but the female plant, the little female plant, it looks like it didn't get pollinated. Whew. So I want to show you that. But anyhow, so once you get one of these, it's really easy to use. You just pump it. Sounds like a turkey. Sounds like a turkey. So anyhow, and then you just spray it. See? Woo! Okay. So I'm gonna spray my plants. Let me see if you guys can see them there. Okay. Make sure you get the bottom of the leaves. Ooh, we got a little bloom there. Hopefully I don't harm it with this. And so what I'm going to do is just go around and spray the rest of my plants. I don't want to take you as I'm doing all the plants, but I do want to come back and show you my little garden. So that may be another video, but I just wanted to show you the neem oil. If you have any bugs in your garden, it's great for roses, flowers, houseplants, ornamental trees, vegetables, fruits, and it's all natural, and it's neem oil. So you can get it at pretty much any hardware store. or gardening store. Anyhow, I will see you guys later.